What up, y'all? It's Dominic369. We back at it for the episode 2 of the Tarot Crash Course. This week we're going to be talking about how the tarot works. But before you understand how the tarot works, you got to understand how the universe works. In reality, and scientists, quantum physicists all understand and know this and agree upon this. Time and space do not exist. Because time and space do not exist, reality is a loop. You know, no matter how far you go forward, you'll always end up back in the same place if you go farther enough forward. A loop. Everything in the loop is connected. So that includes you, me, your aunt, your grandmother, the spirit of your dead ancestor from 10,000 years ago. Everything is energy, and energy can't be created or destroyed, so everything is still in the loop. The cards help you tap into the energy that you focus on, wherever you focus on that energy within the loop. So if you do a reading and you want to know what are the prospects of you being hired at the job you put in an application for, and you do a reading and you get the potential outcome. Now, if the outcome isn't how you want it to be, then you do another reading and see, what can I do to change this circumstance in my favor? Now, if you come up and it's an adverse reading again, then you might want to go on to a different job. Do you guys understand that? Now, each card has symbolism. I explained that to you guys, a little bit more in the follow-up blog post. And that's why it's very, very important for you guys to read the blog post, read the description of the videos in the crash course, because that's where you're going to get the most. And it's important also that you ask questions. You're not going to learn if you're not asking questions. Don't be embarrassed about the question, because the question that you have, 7 other people might have that question, 50 other people might have that question, and down the line, 100,000 people may have that same question, and nobody will have that answer because you were too afraid of somebody judging you for asking a question. So you're not helping other people and blocking other people from getting help by not asking questions. So each card has symbolism. You read into the symbolism of the card. We're going to go into the next part of this. I got to switch the camera, be right back. So it wouldn't be a how it works if I didn't demonstrate to you how it works. Now, the Psychic Tarot is an oracle deck based on the tarot deck. It just doesn't have the court cards. So as you see, it's nice pictures and symbolism and stuff on there. And it has different cards. So what I'm gonna ask first, and it's a real simple thing. It's not a big spooky issue. So my question is, what will be the outcome of people putting a genuine effort into learning how to study tarot through this crash course? One shuffle, cut the cards, bam, just like that. We do a 3-card spread, bam, bam, bam. And from this, we see a story begin to unfold. And I always pay attention to the bottom card. The bottom card, it says the bottom card on this deck is the throat chakra. Now, the throat chakra deals with communication. So is this, bottom card reflecting, the subject matter of what we asked about? What would be the outcome of, people making a genuine study of the tarot through this crash course? Yes, because the throat chakra rules communication. The tarot is a tool of communication through the universe and with the universe. So I'm going to teach you guys how to read like I read. I don't really pay too much attention to the bottom stuff. I pay attention to the images. Now, what we asked was how it would affect the people who made a genuine effort to learn. So, the imagery from this, the main thing you see on here is a person on a leaf. You know, we know the waterfalls. You know, waterfalls are a big spiritual place. Symbolism. You see this person is standing on a leaf. This part's brown, but this part is green. New growth. In the new growth, there's treasure. The treasure has opened up. The person is reaping the benefits, you know, of that treasure. What is the treasure related to? The crown chakra. The crown chakra is where we download information into us from the universe. And when we receive improper information from the universe through our crown chakra and interpret it incorrectly through our third eye, we have the authority. We are in control. We're the boss in our life. So the answer to the question that I asked about what will be the outcome of people really studying the tarot and applying what they use in the crash course, you're gonna open yourself up to becoming powerful and taking control of your life. There was nothing spooky about that. Nothing at all. Again, this is a oracle deck, but as I said, whether it's an oracle deck or a tarot deck, read the pictures because the universe speaks to us through symbols. Some people got a little thing that what they suggest the card is about, you know, but always read the picture and that will give you a clear, concise reading every time. I promise. Hope you guys are enjoying this crash course. I ask that you like, subscribe, and please ask questions because the more you ask questions, the more you can get out of the course. So subscribe and share the videos, and I look forward to talking to y'all next week. Peace.